What if the next version of ChatGPT didn't just give you answers, but actually quizzed you back? Some subscribers are reporting a mysterious new tool in their menu called Study Together, and it might completely change how people use AI for learning. Instead of just spitting out responses, this mode reportedly asks you questions and pushes you to answer. Think of it like a digital tutor that challenges you rather than doing the work for you. Some are even speculating it could evolve into a true study group feature, where multiple humans can join the same session. Now here's the kicker. OpenAI hasn't confirmed anything yet. In fact, they haven't said if Study Together will roll out to everyone, or if it will be locked behind ChatGPT+. Even ChatGPT itself gave a cryptic answer when asked about it. But this experiment makes sense. ChatGPT is everywhere in education. Teachers are using it for lesson plans. Students are using it for tutoring. And yes, some are using it to shortcut essays. Critics have even gone as far as saying ChatGPT is killing higher education. So maybe this feature is OpenAI's way of nudging people toward learning instead of cheating. If this works, it could flip the script. AI not as a crutch, but as an accountability partner. Before we go deeper, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Would you actually use a feature like this to study, or do you think it's just a gimmick? At the end of the day, Study Together could be a small test, or it could be the beginning of a whole new way of learning with AI. If you want to see how other companies are rethinking AI for education, check out the related video in the corner. Don't just watch what AI can do for you. Watch what it can push you to do for yourself.